Are you tired of missing breathtaking shots from above? Here are the 5 best drones for photography that will elevate your aerial game, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, DJI Mini 4K. First up is the DJI Mini 4K, a compact powerhouse priced at $308.31. What caught my attention was its 4K UHD camera and impressive 31-minute flight time. If you want to capture stunning aerial shots without the hassle of registration, this is worth a serious look. Plus, with a 3-axis gimbal, you're guaranteed smooth footage even in windy conditions. It can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, which is great if you're shooting in less than ideal weather. And with a range of 10 km for video transmission, you won't miss a thing in your adventures. Over 10,000 of these drones have been sold just this past month, so you know it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the need to download the DJI Fly app from their website instead of the Google Play Store. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the app offers a slew of features that make flying and shooting a breeze. You can even use intelligent quick shots for professional-level videos with just a tap. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to take stunning photos and videos without the stress. However, skip this one if you want advanced features for professional filmmaking. At $308.31, it offers great value for anyone serious about aerial photography. Now, if the price of the DJI Mini 4K caught your attention, but you want something a bit more budget-friendly, the next option might just be what you're looking for. Product number 2, Hiterbo S20. Next, we have the Hiterbo S20, which comes in at an astonishingly low price of $58.02. Honestly, this is a great option for beginners who want to dip their toes into drone photography without breaking the bank. If you're looking for an affordable entry point, this drone is worth a serious look. The S20 features a 1080p camera that you can manually adjust. This means you can capture shots both in front and directly below the drone, which is perfect for unique angles. With 2 batteries providing around 12 minutes of flight time each, you can enjoy up to 24 minutes of flying fun, which is solid for a toy drone. Plus, it has cool features like altitude hold and 3D flips, making it fun to fly even for total novices. Now, some users mention that the setup can be a bit tricky, especially when connecting the drone to the app. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite rewarding to see your photos come to life. Just be prepared for a slight learning curve. This is perfect for kids or first-time users who just want to have fun with aerial shots. But if you're looking for professional quality photos, you might want to invest in something a bit more advanced. At $58.02, it's a steal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one takes things up a notch in terms of quality and features. Product number 3, DJI Mini 4K Combo. Now let's talk about the DJI Mini 4K Combo, which offers all the features of the Mini 4K but with 2 batteries for just a bit more. While the price varies, you're likely looking at a great deal for around $308.31. If you want extended flight time and top-notch quality in one package, this is worth a serious look. Like its sibling, this drone boasts 4K video resolution and a 3-axis gimbal for cinematic shots. But the real game changer here is the extended 62 minutes of flight time with the 2 batteries. It also retains that excellent 10 km HD transmission range and wind resistance. With over 9,000 sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users have mentioned issues with the app not being available on Google Play, which can be frustrating. Here's my take, while that can be a hassle, the features and quality you get make it worth the extra effort to download from the official site. This is perfect for serious hobbyists or anyone wanting to elevate their photography game. But skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just want something to play around with. For the quality you're getting, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something even more advanced in terms of features and flight capability, the next drone may really impress you. Product number 4, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is next on our list, priced at $566.31. This drone caught my eye with its 4K HDR video capabilities and incredible 38-minute flight time. If you're looking for a powerful drone that can handle various shooting scenarios, this one is worth a serious look. This drone allows you to capture stunning 4K HDR imagery, which is a game changer for low light conditions. It's also designed for vertical shooting, meaning you can get perfect shots for your social media feeds without any extra editing. With a maximum HD video transmission range of 10 km, you will have the freedom to explore wide vistas without losing connection. However, the higher price point is a downside for some. Some users feel it may not be worth the money compared to the Mini 4K. Here's the thing though, while it's pricier, the quality and versatility you get can justify the investment, especially for content creators. This is perfect for those willing to invest in high-quality drone footage, particularly if you're into social media. But skip this one if you're just a casual flyer who wants something basic. For those looking to take their photography to the next level, it's a solid choice. Now, speaking of something basic and budget-friendly, let's wrap up with a final option that's light on your wallet. Product number 5, Oddire Drone. Last but not least, we have the Oddire Drone, which comes in at a budget-friendly price of $54.17. This little drone may not have the same quality as the others, but if you want something fun and easy to use, this is worth a serious look. The Oddire Drone features a 1080p HD camera that captures decent shots from the air. It has a stable hover capability and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that allow for around 25-28 minutes of flight time. Plus, it has fun features like gesture control, which can be a blast for kids or beginners. Just be aware that it won't match the quality of higher-end drones. Now, some users pointed out that the camera quality doesn't meet professional standards. Here's my perspective. If you're just looking for something to have fun with and take casual photos, it's not a deal breaker. But if you're after crisp, high-quality shots, you'll need to invest more. This is perfect for kids or casual users looking for entry-level fun. However, skip this one if you're serious about photography. At $54.17, it offers a good balance of fun and affordability. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of options today. The DJI Mini 4K is great for beginners, while the Hiturbo S20 is perfect for those on a budget. The DJI Mini 4K combo is excellent for extended flights, and the Mini 3 is ideal for serious photographers. Finally, we have the Oddire Drone for casual fun. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DJI Mini 4K combo because it offers a fantastic balance of quality and flight time for an affordable price. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Oddire Drone if you're looking for professional quality. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.